guys, check it out. We got the '04 Ram Hemi in the air. I got Nicole cleaning up some of the rims. Triple aught, steel wool. Owner of the truck, along with his gal. On the other side. All right, all right. So this is the truck. We did the new Hemi, new trans, new seats, headliner, just a ton of stuff. And it's going back to South Florida tomorrow. And the last thing I did was the exhaust. I did a 2.5-inch catback Flowmaster exhaust. We'll let you hear how it sounds. And it was a pretty neat setup, sort of a bolt-on setup with clamps, but I went ahead and welded all the fittings and did away with all the clamps except one where I have a major hanger holding up that Flowmaster. It has the slash tips coming out the back, which it gave you the option. You could have either put them out where the bumper is or do them right where the back wheel is, and owner Dave over there chose to go out the back or the side behind the back tire, and that's it. So yeah, Flowmaster exhaust system, actually a kit, ordered it online, and it was about $300, and I would say it took probably 4 hours to put in there, and maybe if I just did clamps, it would have been easier and less time, but welding them took a little bit more, and that's it. So I'm gonna show you how it sounds. First, let's take a look at the paperwork. That's kind of a diagram, not a diagram, but that's kind of the routing that it would look like once it's up in the truck. And you can see it came with the slash tips, a bunch of clamps, and which we didn't use, and then different variations here at the end. One if you went straight out the back with your tips, and then the other like we chose to go out the sides behind the back tire. All right. Gas. Yeah. Sounds good. That's it, guys. You can shut it off, baby.
Cool. Another one gone. Dave's going to tell you a little bit about his pride and joy, though. Go ahead, Dave.
Yes, I'm the original owner, 204. The truck has got some sentimental value, obviously. It's been to California,
Nice.
up and down the coast there for a good year. Sequoia, Fresno, and all the way back through here. It's been to Tennessee, New York, as far as Vermont. So
Awesome.
a lot of good times, so I decided to keep it and put it back as close to its original condition.
Yeah.
With Sean, he did a great job.
Thank you.
With Mickey, all the crew and his guys. Really appreciate the time and effort and looking into all the details and making sure that I would have a good running vehicle like it was originally. Might even be better this time.
Awesome.
So I just wanted to thank you guys.
Awesome.
Ready to take it back to Florida, to South Florida, and enjoy it. Start driving it carefully, baby it.
Not too
Awesome.
much. Not too much like a baby.
Well, Dave, thanks for letting us work on it. It's been cool and fun, and I totally understand the sentimental thing.
Yeah,
I love that.
yeah.
So that's cool. So thank you.
Wow.
And guys, check us on the next one. We'll see you next time. And don't know what project it'll be, but it'll be something cool. See ya.